If you want to make folder on iPad 11, for example, if I want to make this as folder, just long press on the empty space and move just like that. Then tap on the empty space. Now it's created. If you want to change this name, just long press here. Then you can create a name just like that and click done. Now it's changed. If you want to add more apps, just long press like that and just move like this. If you want to remove, just open that and long press here and click and drag like this, then it will be removed. Just like that. If you want to know more videos about iPhone 11, watch these videos.